everybody. Today we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadiku's 5th edition. This is question number 6.16 and the question is the equivalent capacitance at terminals A, B in the circuit of figure is 30 microfarad. Calculate the value of C. It is given that the C equivalent at the terminals AB is equal to 30 microfarad and we are asked to find out this capacitance value. Okay, anyhow. So if you see this, these two capacitors are connected in series. So how to calculate the equivalent value of this series capacitance? So that is equal to C into 80 divided by C plus 80, isn't it? So everything is available in microfarad, so we are not going to mention them. This is the first combination we got, right? Then once you calculated this equivalent value of this series path, okay, series capacitances, then this series capacitance value, right, we take this as cs is in parallel with this 14 microfarad. Okay, so we can calculate this equivalent. C equivalent is equal to this 14 microfarad plus this cs value. So C equivalent is given in the problem as 30 microfarad, so that is equal to this 14 plus cs is what, 80c divided by c plus 80, isn't it? So this is equal to 30 minus 14, right, when you bring it to this side. So it is 16. 16 is equal to 80c divided by c plus 8. So you can cancel this as, this is 5 times. Okay, this is 1 here then. So that is equal to 5c divided by c plus 80 is equal to 1. Or you can write this as 5c is equal to c plus 80, or 5c minus c is equal to 80, or 4c is equal to 80. That means c is equal to 20 microfarad. So this is our answer.